simple seated core strengthening workout for seniors at home.
That's
This
right.
is where you really work on your posture. Just 5 to 10 times. Just let's get things a little warmed up anyway. Like that. It's like doing sit-ups with your back straight.
Yep.
Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Just count for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like a 5 second hold up on top, Brad.
Mm-hmm.
Or you want to make it harder, then you can go ahead and lift up that way. Heels to toes.
I should catch up with you.
Yeah.
There you go. Don't have to go real fast. And if you can't get the full circle, you can just, work the.
You're not going to lean back.
Upright.
And you're just going to go to the inner thigh of your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you're pushing against the
Yeah.
leg?
So I'm pushing the leg out, but my leg's not letting it move.
Yep.
And then I'm going to the right leg like this. You're going to feel that in the upper back.
Yep.
And then you can start by doing legs up one at a time. Don't do them both at the same time.